Today I'm gonna make Pluto the biggest planet in our solar system. Something tells me this is not gonna go well for Earth. What is going on, TFG Squad? My name is Brandon, and welcome back to Universe Sandbox. This is basically Solar Smash, but you can do so much more. But we're gonna zoom out. We're not worried about planet Earth today. We're actually gonna zoom out to the far stretches of our solar system. Where is it? Where is it farther? There it is. We're gonna zoom into our good friend Pluto. This is basically a tiny little rock floating billions and billions of miles away from our sun. And we're gonna mess with Pluto today. We're gonna do a bunch of things to Pluto. We're gonna give life to Pluto. We're gonna make Pluto the biggest planet in the solar system. And then we're gonna make Pluto a lot closer to the sun and see how it affects everything. So the first thing we're gonna do is try to create life on Pluto. You guys have been asking me to do this for a long time. I have my post-it note of notes from you guys. So we're gonna pause the simulation. The first thing we're gonna do to create life on Pluto is actually make our sun bigger. So let's go over to our good friend, the sun. You know, this is kind of the reason why we're all alive right now. And if we make the sun a little bit bigger and a little bit brighter, maybe that heat will make its way to Pluto and we can start creating life. So the sun is just about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. What if we make it, Pluto's really far. Pluto is really far. What if we make it 25,000 degrees Fahrenheit? Bam. Oh, okay. Our sun just turned blue. Our sun just turned blue. Okay. And now we're going to make the sun 3 times bigger than it normally is. Wait. 3 times bigger. Bam. Okay. So no. Oh, I blew up the sun. I've been playing the game for less than a minute, and I already blew up our sun. Okay, well, that's definitely not going to create life on Pluto. Okay, this time I made the sun hotter, but I didn't make it any bigger. I don't know how that's going to affect things, but let's go over to Pluto. So how hot is Pluto currently? Pluto, right now, if we go to Fahrenheit, it's almost negative 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I complain about January because, you know, it's usually like 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine living in a place where it's negative 400. You would freeze instantly. I guess if you like ice cream, you might be happy. You can actually tell that Pluto's a little bit brighter. So this is what it looks like from Pluto. Okay, you can kind of see the sun all the way over there. If I hit play, is Pluto getting any warmer? What the heck, man? I made the sun 20,000 degrees Fahrenheit. How hot do I need to make it? Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna make the sun 100,000 degrees. I mean, this just can't go well, but here we go. 100,000 degrees. The sun turned even more blue than it was before. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna destroy all of the planets in between us and Pluto. Actually, fun fact, you guys probably know this already. Pluto is no longer a planet. I don't know, like, I don't know, 15 years ago, maybe 20 years ago, they downgraded it to a dwarf planet, which most people get really mad. They're like, give Pluto planet status again. But I actually heard some guy talking. You know, Pluto is actually smaller than our moon. That's science with the frustrated gamer today. There's going to be a lot of science with TFG. Okay, so now Pluto is, it's still negative 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but if I hit play, now it's warming up. The 100,000 degree sun is actually warming up Pluto. Let's speed up the simulation a little bit more. Now it's a downright negative 300. I mean, that is a warm summer day if you live on Pluto. Whoa, look at this. Did I make Pluto too hot? Pluto, oh my gosh, Pluto is now 20 degrees and rising steadily. It's now oh my gosh, I made Pluto too hot. How hot is Pluto? Is over 100 degrees. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's stabilizing at 90. I would love to live on Pluto if it was 82 degrees Fahrenheit. That's actually a beautiful day. Okay, so let's pause the simulation again. Right now, I assume there's no life if we go to composition. Yeah, likelihood of life is still 0. So basically, I was gonna say I've killed everybody, but I don't think anybody lived on Pluto anyway. Maybe there are some Plutonians that we just don't know about. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to add water, because without water, there is no life. Now the question is, how much water should I add? I don't know. Let's go an ocean's worth. Let's go half an ocean's worth. I don't know. Pluto's pretty small. Maybe we'll go a quarter of our ocean. Okay, beautiful. Now let's go over here. This seems like a good spot for an ocean. Let's play the simulation, but we're gonna slow things down. There we go. I'm throwing water on Pluto. Oh, that might have been a lot. Actually, that looks pretty good. That's a good, look at this. Pluto now has water and is 80 degrees. I want to move to Pluto. Why is Pluto growing? No. Now Pluto is farting water out of its butt. It's like it ate too many spicy tacos last night. Okay, this is not going well. Wait a second. Now, all I want, oh, I was going to say, what's the likelihood of survival? It's still 0%. All I want to do is get this number to 0.1. If there is a 0.1% chance that a human could live on Pluto, I've done my job and we're gonna move on. Well, here's the problem. There's no iron in the atmosphere. I don't know, is there supposed to be iron in the atmosphere? Actually, I'm pretty sure this is the core. I just have no idea what I'm talking about. Let's go, let's give it a 20% iron core. I feel like silicate is good. Water, 70%. Is our Earth 70% water? That seems a little high, although there are a lot of oceans. I'm gonna make that 50. We're gonna make Pluto 50% water, and then hydrogen's a little low. Yeah, hydrogen's a little low. We're gonna make, oh no. Oh, I gave Pluto an atmosphere. Without an atmosphere, I don't know if humans could live there. This is good. This is actually going really good. Okay, and yeah, everything else seems fine. It all seems fine. Okay, now let's hit play. It looks like Pluto is ejecting its atmosphere as we speak. Things are not going well right now. What's the temperature on Pluto? Oh no, now that I gave Pluto an atmosphere, it's getting too hot. It's 90 degrees. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? I just don't think I'm gonna be able to make life on Pluto. I got an idea. Let's make Pluto the closest planet to the sun and see what happens. This is our beautiful solar system. Homeostasis, if you will. Everything is working perfectly. Let's throw that all out. Okay, so we're gonna zoom into Mercury right now. I'm going to go to Tools. I'm going to go to Delete, and we're going to bop. Okay, Mercury doesn't exist anymore. Mercury is a figment of our imaginations. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna zoom all the way out to our friend Pluto. Where is Pluto? And we're going to go to Tools, and we're going to delete Pluto. So we're gonna go Pluto right there. We're gonna, I don't know, how far away is Mercury from the sun? Right about there! Yep, that seems like a good amount of distance from the sun. And if I hit play, look at that! Pluto is now orbiting the sun, and it doesn't even seem to be affecting the other planets. Oh, Pluto's getting really hot. Oh my gosh, okay, Pluto's over 130 degrees right now and rising steadily. It's rising steadily right now. It's over 200 degrees. Okay, if me and you were standing on Pluto, we would cook like a turkey on Thanksgiving. I'm gonna make Pluto the biggest planet in the solar system and see how it affects all the other planets. Spoiler alert, it's not gonna be good. This is what a healthy solar system looks like. We've got these planets orbiting around a center star in an elliptical shape. Again, science with the frustrated gamer. You might think that these are going around in a circle, but they're actually an ellipse, which is kind of like an oval. I don't really know what I'm talking about. I'm just talking, you know, out of my nose right now. Okay, now we're gonna zoom out. We're gonna keep Pluto where it is. So I'm not gonna make it closer to the sun. We're just gonna make it really big. So now we're gonna make the mass and the radius of Pluto the size of Jupiter. So if I go to Jupiter and we go 1, oh, mama! I assume if we make Pluto, oh wait, I made it the size of Jupiter. What am I doing? I gotta make it the biggest planet in the solar system. So we're gonna make it 1.1 the size of Jupiter. Bam! Oh my gosh, now the mass has gotten bigger. This is gonna cause a mess. I wanna get a bird's eye view, I guess you would call it, of the solar system, and we're gonna hit play. How is this gonna affect the orbits? Is this really having no effect on anything? Wait a silly second. Wait, where did Pluto go? Uh-oh, I'm confused. Wait, I lost Pluto. Oh wait, no, there's Pluto. Everything seems fine. Okay, Pluto is useless. You know what? I am going to officially downgrade Pluto. It's no longer even a dwarf planet. Now it's just a rock. It's just a rock floating in the middle of the sky. This is stupid. You know what? We're gonna pause it again. We're gonna pause it again. Now we're gonna cause real mayhem. Now you've made me mad, Pluto. Now you've made me real mad. So what I'm gonna do, now I'm gonna make Pluto the mass of, do I want to make it the sun? The sun seems a little aggressive. Let's make it 10% the size of the sun. Ready, steady, bam! Oh my my gosh, Pluto just caught on fire. Things are so messed up right now, they have highlighted Pluto's orbit red. I don't know what that means, but it can't be good. Now if we hit go and speed things up a little bit, I mean this. Oh yeah! Oh my gosh, Neptune is now flying towards Pluto. Oh, we've got small explosions. We've got small explosions. Neptune didn't like Pluto. It's going back to the sun. The sun was a much nicer star for Neptune. Wait, let's speed things up a little bit more. This is not going to go well. I have a feeling the sun and Pluto are going to come together in a fiery explosion, and it's going to be very violent. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what's supposed to be going on in the solar system, but this is not it. Saturn is doing some strange motion. Uranus is moving out. I don't even know what that thing was. 2018 VG18. What the heck that is? I have no idea. Jupiter's just doing its own thing right now. How's Earth doing? Wait, let's see how planet Earth is doing. Let's pause the simulation really quickly. Earth actually seems okay. Wait a second, Earth seems okay. What's the temperature on Earth? 44 degrees, okay. How many people have I killed? That's the real question that we're all wondering. Oh, likelihood of survival is still 97%. That's kind of normal. Honestly, if I made Pluto as big as the sun, nothing would go wrong. Okay, Saturn is now orbiting Pluto. That might be a little wrong. Hit that subscribe button and check out my other YouTube channel. It's called TFG Vlogs, and I will see all of you in the next video.